Hello everyone, welcome to Nayak Academy. Today let us construct exercise 6th problem of construction chapter. Coming to the question, draw a triangle ABC with the side BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree, angle A equal to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times of the corresponding sides of a triangle ABC. I have written steps of construction. Same thing we are going to construct here, children. First step, we have to construct a triangle ABC with the side BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree and angle A equal to 105 degree. Now angle C they have not given. We have to find out angle C. How to find out, children, angle C? We know that angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. 105 degree plus 45 degree is 150 degree. So angle C you will get 180 degree minus 150, it is 30 degree. Now here angle C is equal to 30 degree. Let us start to construct triangle ABC. First construct base of a triangle BC equal to 7 cm. Take scale and draw a line segment BC equal to 7 cm. Now we have to construct angle B equal to 45 degree. How to construct? Take compass. Any measurement you can take. Keep your compass at B and draw one arc like this. Then keep your compass on that arc and draw one arc like this. Now if you measure, this is 60 degree you will get. From that arc again draw one more arc. This is 120 degree. Now in between 60 degree and 120 degree you will get 90 degree. So for that what we need to do? Keep your compass on that first arc and draw one more arc like this and keep your compass on another arc, cut that previous arc. Now you have to join B and that two arcs. Now we have to join B and that point. Now if you measure, you will get angle B equal to 90 degree. Now we have to construct angle B equal to 45 degree. Now what we have to do? Angular bisector of 90 degree you construct, you will get 45 degree. What we have to, children? Keep your compass on that arc, this is 0 degree, and draw one arc like this. Then 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Now keep your compass on 90 degree and cut that previous arc. Now here you will get one point, you have to join B and that point. Now this is angle 45 degree. Now we have to construct angle C equal to 30 degree. How to construct? Once again keep your compass on C and draw one arc like this. Then take out and keep your compass on that arc and cut that arc. Now if you measure, this is 60 degree. Angular bisector of 60 degree you have to construct, you will get 30 degree. Keep your compass on that arc and cut previous arc. Now we have to join C and that point, extend, and you will get angle C is equal to 30 degree, and where the two lines will intersect, angle B equal to 45 degree, angle C is equal to 30 degree, where the two angles will intersect, you name that point as A. Now ABC is a required triangle with BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree and angle C is equal to 30 degree. Now we have to draw any ray BX making acute angle with BC. Now locate 4 points, greater number of 4 and 3. Locate 4 points on ray BX. Keep your compass on B and draw 4 arcs. Name that arcs as B1, B2, B3, B4. Now, denominator number is 3. Now we have to join B3 and C. Now we have to construct a line at B4 which is parallel to B3C. We have to draw a line like this, children. How to construct? Keep your compass at point B3 and draw one arc like this. Same measurement. Keep your compass at point B4. Draw another arc like this. Now we have to measure the angle formed between these two lines. Measure the angle. Keep your compass on that arc and cut that arc. Now we have to join B4 and this point. For that, what we have to do? Extend the base. Now we have to join B4 and that point. Let it intersect BC at C dash. This is point, name that as C dash. Same procedure. Now again we have to construct a line at C dash which is parallel to AC. What we have to do? Again same procedure. Keep your compass at C and draw one arc like this. Same measurement. Keep your compass at C dash. Draw another arc. Measure the angle between these two lines and keep your compass on that arc and cut that arc. Now you have to join point C dash and this point. Join C dash and that point. Let it intersect AB at A dash. Now AC is parallel to A dash C dash and B3C is parallel to B4 C dash. Now triangle A dash B C dash is similar to triangle ABC. Justification. A dash B by AB equal to BC dash by BC equal to A dash C dash by AC equal to 4 by 3. In exercise question number 2, I have explained how to write steps for justification. Please watch the video using link provided in the description. With this construction, I will wind up the session. In my next video, let us construct remaining exercise problems. Till then, goodbye.